Picking right up where I left off, this is the state of my living room and I'm really over it. I think I'm gonna attempt to put it back together a little bit because this whole space is annoying me. The wall is still wet. I don't know when they're coming back to paint it. And I know I need to keep my TV unit out from here so they can work, but I'm just super annoyed. So I might move my TV unit maybe against the chairs there and just at least pull the couch and the coffee table back because that's an easy thing to just move out of the way. And I've just made myself a coffee and I've made it in this giant mug because I just realized I haven't even put the dishwasher on for a couple of days. It has just been a whole week. Bronwyn is now back, so I don't have to go and look after Flynn, but I need groceries. I haven't ordered groceries in like a week, so I have no food, I have no clean coffee mugs. I just need to start getting a little bit more organized and sorted today and get back on track after the whole last week. It's been a mess. It's not completely fixed, but at least now I can walk around here into my office, which is still a mess. I have paper on the floor because I accidentally jammed my printer last night, so I need to deal with that. I can walk this way, which is great. And then, yeah, it's basically done. Also, I forgot to mention, because of this whole situation, I still don't have heating, so it's freezing in here. I'm wearing 2 jumpers at the moment. And this is also the update of my puzzle. In the last couple of days, I've managed to do the pink area, and there's 3 sections, one on this side, one on this side, and then one in the middle somewhere, probably about there. And I can't wait to be able to connect them, but I'm making progress on that and it's been really enjoyable. But as I said, I need to jump in and get some groceries. My groceries have arrived. I've just been doing emails and admin stuff, and I feel like I get a lot of questions to do grocery hauls, but I never do big grocery shops. I don't actually really go to the supermarket. I just use Instacart because it's so easy. So I just grabbed a few things that I felt like I needed. I have a couple of avocados, some tomatoes, bagels. I have a couple of these lean cuisine meals. I like to have these frozen meals in the freezer just in case I'm feeling lazy and then I'm less likely to order in. I have my Coke Zero, which is like my treat to myself, I guess. I have some eggs, bacon, and some chicken. And I think there might be a few things I may need to go to the actual supermarket and get, but for now, this will just help me be able to use what I already have to make some actual meals. One of my favorite things about getting groceries is filling up my egg tray. This egg tray is from Anthropology. I don't think you can get this exact one anymore, but I'll try and find some similar ones or at least link what they currently do have available at Anthropology. But this is just such a satisfying process. I was just waiting for some footage to import so I could edit a video, and while I was doing that, playing with my puzzle, and I just found the piece that connects these 2 sections together, and I'm very happy about it. I can't wait to connect this bit here. It'll probably give more structure to it so it doesn't move around, and I'm still missing the side piece here. I don't know where it is. I haven't seen it, but hopefully I haven't lost any pieces. I'm just so happy about it. I just wanted to share that. I found my little piece. I just went through trying to find all the neon green pieces, and I managed to do, I think, this whole section here, plus, no, that was the one that I found. So I did this whole bit here, this whole bit up here, and then I've added a few pieces in here as well, and over here too. So I'm making progress. I'm very happy about it, but I think my footage has imported, so I better start editing. Okay, it's currently like almost 4 p.m. It is so dark out there. I've finished with my laptop. It took me about 4 hours to edit this video. I just kept having problems and it was super annoying, but this afternoon, even though it's really dark, there is one thing that I want to do. I have 2 packages. They arrived the other day. I've been dying to open them. This first one, I think, is the bedside lamps, and then this big one is the frame and the print that is going to go above my bed. I think in another video, I said I wanted to have 3 pictures above my bed, but I decided to actually just go with one really big one. We're up to the most satisfying part, where you get to peel off the plastic. This is probably the best part about buying anything new, especially when it comes wrapped in plastic, of course. Not everything does, but it's just so satisfying. there's so much mess in here now, but I'm just glad that I'm making progress on my bedroom. I think I've talked about this a million times. So this is the image that I've gone with. It's looking a lot more gray on camera. It's very, very green. I just think it's because it's so dark in here that you can't really pick it up. But I decided to just go with a simple green plant. I didn't want tropical. I didn't want it to be too like green. I prefer that sort of more, it looks so gray on camera, but this is like a really nice sage looking green, and that's what I really wanted. I also went for the oak frame, and I just accidentally kind of stepped on plastic. So I just tried to put the poster in there without the plastic. It was very difficult, and the reason that I did this is because I've already done it in my office, and it's just because I'm always on camera, I'm always filming things, and when you have these types of plastics in photo frames, they are just so reflective and you can't even really see the image. So if I were to hang this up on my wall, you wouldn't even be able to see it on camera. So that's why I did it that way. It fits. I think it's really nice. It's very soothing. I wanted soothing vibes for my bedroom, so pretty happy with it. I'm gonna take these things into the bedroom and maybe start setting it up. I haven't made my bed today. My mirror from out there is in here because, you know, my whole house is a mess right now because of this stupid wall fixing thing. I actually don't have anything to hang this up on the wall with, so I'm probably just gonna lean it on top of the bed for now. And then I'm gonna put the lamps in here too, but I don't have bulbs for those either. So I think I need to do a trip to the dollar store. I actually really like it. I am going to hang it though. I think it needs a little space between it and the bed, but it's actually so much bigger than I thought it was. I mean, I measured it, but when you put something in, it looks a little bit different to how you imagine it, right? Anyway, I love it. Very soothing. It's giving me very calming vibes. I've got one of my lamps to put over here. I need to deal with this floral thing. It's still from autumn. It is not autumn anymore. It's the middle of winter, but I still am going for very soft colors and greens and sage colors because I want soothing vibes in here. And put this one over here. This is my humidifier, and then I also have this really poor quality olive leaf looking thing that I also got off Amazon that I was going to return but never got around to it. So anyway, there's a slight idea of the vibe that I'm going for in here. Still a lot of progress. I think that might be tomorrow's job to get in here and clean it and style it properly. But yay, I'm so excited. I'm just happy that I started working on this goal after all this time. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website order. It's the next morning. Last night was very weird. The fire alarm went off, and this is the second time since the beginning of the new year it went off. I think the person below me might have had something going on because I could kind of smell something burning, and at the same time the smoke alarm stopped, or the fire alarm stopped in my apartment, but I could hear it somewhere else, and like the guy came over the loudspeaker to say disregard it, so I didn't evacuate. Then I could also hear drilling going on in this corner that still hasn't been fixed. I haven't heard from them today, so I don't know when they're gonna come and paint it. And to be honest, I just want to put my furniture back. So I'm gonna put my furniture back, and then if they call me, I might just move everything a little bit this way and not pull it apart as much as I have. So I'm gonna put all this furniture back as one of the first things I do today. And then I'm gonna go out to the dollar store and pick up some stuff for the picture, and then also some bulbs for my lamps as well. Okay, it's somewhat better in here. I still need to deal with the rubbish over there, but I've got my mirror back, I've got my TV back. Oh, it feels nice in here. I am gonna be annoyed about having to move it all out again, but I don't know when they're coming, so too bad. For now, I have my living room back, and another thing I still need to do is figure out what to put here, like a chair or something, I don't know. Probably just get something from Wayfair, and I'm looking at it, I can see how dirty my coffee table is, but I can't bother to clean it right now. I actually have to jump on a call, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we can go and get some stuff for my bedroom. I just finished my call. It was actually with my immigration lawyer. I just wanted to make sure that, you know, everything's all good. And I think I'm gonna go back to Australia for a month, maybe in February. It was a plan of mine in September, and I was like, look, if everything's okay to travel and whatnot by February, I would really like to go home for a month. Not only do I get to get out of the freezing cold here and into summer there, but like I get to see my family and my friends. I know that COVID is just going crazy in Australia at the moment, and I know that traveling is not a good thing. I have been a little homesick the last like month or so, and it's probably just because of Christmas and the holidays and all that, but I do really kind of want to go home. And if I were to be going home to my mum, I would literally be in the middle of nowhere. I would never see anybody. I would just be hanging out with my mom by myself, basically. Like, I wouldn't be interacting with people. I mean, obviously to get there, I would have to interact with people, and there's always a risk with these kinds of things, but I don't know. It's just a thought at this point. Whether I actually do it or not, I don't know, but I would love to be able to just go home for a month and just, I don't know, get some home time. I feel like I need it. It's been a really crazy 2 years, and I miss my family. So that might be something I'm doing. I don't know, but all good. I can do it if that's something I really want to do. I was just looking at flights now. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the dollar store because I want the stuff to be able to, like, I need the light bulbs. That's what I need, the light bulbs, and potentially something to hang that thing. What do you call it? The frame, that thing. I gotta do that. So it's freezing out there. It's -8 at the moment. I think it's gonna be a low of -19 today, which is disgusting. So it's really cold. I'm gonna put on a couple of extra layers, rug up, but I think it'll be good to go outside and walk because it is so sunny today, and it looks nice out there even though it's freezing, and I just think it's a good idea to get outside. Okay, I'm basically ready to go. I put an extra layer on, and I actually put an extra layer of leggings on. I don't usually do that, but today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I got my backpack, which is mostly empty because I'm gonna put the stuff in it to carry it home, and I think that's about it. I don't think I really need anything. I was about to say I'm gonna grab my laptop, but this bag is definitely not my laptop. It is my backpack. Let's go get things. I just got home, and the dollar store didn't have any 3M hooks, but I just checked in my little container where I keep most of my 3M hooks, and I have 2 of these Velcro picture ones, so I can actually hang my frame today, which I'm super happy about, because otherwise I was gonna have to buy some off Amazon. Anyway, I really should be making my bed, and I have some clothes to put away, but I picked up 2 of these small 7.5 watt bulbs from the dollar store. So actually now I can see the big bulb. I grabbed the big bulb out of, actually I'm gonna unplug it. I'm not sure if you can actually take bulbs in and out, or whether you should take bulbs in and out if it's plugged in. But I took the big one out of the lamp that I used to have in here, and I thought we could put some little ones in there, and these will hopefully be a lot less bright compared to this big one. So much nicer. Like, it's really soft. I think the big bulb was just way too light. Yay, I'm so happy now. I can do the other one, and I just have nice soft lamps in here, because at nighttime with the big bulb, it's really bright and it's just too bright. So, oh, now I'm really excited to be able to finish styling up these bedside tables. My messenger is going off. Someone is texting me. Oh no, this light bulb's actually broken. Like, I can hear it, it's cracked. Aw, that's upsetting. Yeah, you can see the crack. That's okay, they're only $1.25 each, so I'll go back and get another one, but at least I have one for now. That's exciting. I can't believe I actually have the right amount of sticky things to do this picture, so let's do it. tried really hard to get it even. Had a little level, but I don't think the level quite works, and I know it's just slightly higher on this side than it is the other one. But yeah, I really should invest in a proper level because I just probably really should. But it's not that bad. I don't think you can really tell. It's just a little bit off, but I'm happy with it. It's starting to come together in here. Still got a lot of work to do, but one step closer.